Крокодильчик.
Wanna try it? Oh. You throw another one? Not supposed to. How many do you have a lot?
No, no, we got some further out.
There is alligator. Alligator.
So cool, eh?
We can come down.
You want to buy some snacks?
Oh, you want to buy some snack? Yeah. We can buy some snack.
Which y'all want, then I'll pick it up at.
Please be careful with your phone.
There's a big.
Jerky right here. That's gator jerky.
Gator jerky. Wow.
That's sweet.
Keep in mind that just a little over a year or so ago, there's a big hurricane passed through here, knocked over a lot of these trees. As we continue to work our way down the canal, it's going to widen out for us, but here in the beginning it is real narrow, so just keep an eye out for the branches. And really at any point throughout the tour, if you happen to notice a branch making its way towards you, please go ahead. On the other side of the power line, that big tall tree from the tree line up at the top where it branches out, that's where the eagle nest is located. Now, we had mentioned earlier that a little over a year or so ago, the big hurricane passed through, Category 4 or 5 storm Hurricane Ida. When the storm came through, it had knocked the original nest out of the tree. The original nest was there probably for about 8 or 9 years. It's a really big nest. We were worried that when it first happened, that by the time the eagles made their way back here, they wouldn't stick around the nest being gone, because there was a little gap in between the time the storm had passed and when the eagles show up. Storm came through end of August. Eagles don't make their way down here until October. But when they came back, they began to rebuild the nest. And there's so much progress that made sense that the storm has passed.
No, right here. See his body? See the body right there?
The average mating size female is somewhere between 5 to 17, 500 pounds. So it's really hard to sneak up on an alligator. These alligators are fully aware that we're sitting here with them right now. And when you see them in the water, I know at first it can be hard to tell how big they are. The water distorts the view of the alligator, but you can tell the size of an alligator just by looking at its head. The way you do it is you want to make some meat to lie to you about along the way. No reason to lie to you about snakes. And that's the truth, at least for this moment. Well, we're going to start off down the left side here. We'll come back down the right side in a little while. Go ahead and designate someone on the boat as our official snake catcher. I really. EJ's about a 10-foot, maybe 300 pound or so alligator. These bigger males, they're a lot bigger than females. They're bigger. The average mating size female's 5, 7 foot. Maybe 100 pounds, 10 foot, probably 200 pounds. So they got those in 12, 600 pounds. Like I said, they're just so much bigger than the females that made it.
So it must have been a male. How old is he?
Yeah, if I had to kind of throw a number out there for you, I'd say an alligator like this, maybe 30, 40 years, somewhere around there would be my guess.
Are we heading back? Are we heading back?
Can't be helped.
Are we going back?
We're going back that direction,
Oh.
but we're not going back to the dock. Like I said, that's EJ. He's been the biggest one we've been seeing today. A little alligator was on the log. She's just going further over on the left side. We'll see in a second. map here, you see all the it's like it's called counties in Louisiana, like people different, we call them parishes. The rest of the canal, you see back in they're putting up oil companies back in the late 40s, 50s, early 60s. Oil companies were kind of spread out throughout Louisiana. That's why you see so many of these canals out here. Some of the things that these canals have in common with each other, they have to find out just a second. Yeah, you can see her head sticking up her head. That was about where we're going to probably start drifting into right here just a second. Straighten this up soon.
It's moving.
Nice pair of boots, they black. I went to Hurricane Island last year. She used to have some little baby alligators in the area with her. When Hurricane Island came through, there was a 6-foot storm surge that passed through here with the storm.
There's another one.
You have two of me, one back here by me and one up there by me with the front. Straighten up, we're going to make our way over to the right side here. You're going to see along the edge of the bay remains of a cabin. The cabin that was put here back in 1902.
They're waiting.
Food for alligators.
Did you see?
Is there another one?
Yes, there is.
Something was eating the deer. Oh, wow. Swimming away. Oh, don't lean on me. Right next to her. It's a baby. It will be an accident. You don't be deliberate.
Плыви сюда, плыви. Иди сюда.